In today's video, you will learn how to delete or remove comments in Microsoft Word. The first method is the quickest and works well when you only need to remove a single comment. Simply locate the comment you want to delete in the document margin. Once you find it, right-click directly on the comment box. A small menu will appear, and from there you can select the Delete Comment option. As soon as you click it, the comment is removed immediately. This method is ideal when you're reviewing feedback and only want to delete specific comments one by one without affecting the rest of the document. The second method uses the Review tab and is especially useful when you want more control or need to remove multiple comments. One important thing to understand is that comments may sometimes be hidden if markup is not displayed. If markup is turned off, you might think comments are already gone when they are actually just hidden from view. To avoid this confusion, you need to make sure markup A is visible before deleting comments. Navigate to the Review tab and look for the tracking group. Make sure that all markup is selected beside Display for Review. Then open the Show Markup options and confirm that Comments is selected. This ensures that every comment in the document is visible and ready to be managed. Once markup is displayed, click at the very beginning of the document so Word knows where to start applying changes. Next, stay within the Review tab and locate the Comments group. Click the small arrow next to the Delete option. From here, you have the choice to delete comments individually or remove them all at once. If you want to clear the document completely, select Delete All Comments in Document. Word will instantly remove every comment, leaving you with a clean and polished file. Both methods are simple, but choosing the right one depends on how many comments you need to remove. Deleting a single comment works best for small edits, while deleting all comments is perfect for final versions of documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like.